Do you ever watch an older show like The Office or Seinfeld or an older movie, perhaps like Love Actually, and think, wow, this has not stood up to the test of time? And that can be with reference to any sort of conduct. But a lot of times when I'm watching movies or old shows, I'm thinking in terms of inappropriate conduct in the workplace by generally men towards women that often would rise to the level of sexual harassment. To prove a claim of sexual harassment in the workplace, there's a subjective and objective standard. The subjective standard is that the victim themselves viewed the conduct as unwelcome. The objective standard is that a reasonable person in the workplace would have considered that conduct unwelcome as well. So just as certain movies or TV shows, if aired now, really wouldn't be deemed appropriate, the same has shifted in courts of law. Conduct in the workplace 20 years ago may now be considered sexual harassment and may actually lead to viable claims or damages against the employer, whereas 20 years ago they wouldn't have. Believe it or not, there have been cases where there's been non-consensual acts of groping or touching of a woman's breast or butt that actually haven't led to claims of sexual harassment because the courts have deemed them not severe enough or not frequent enough. And that standard is shifting, just as many other standards in employment law are shifting as well due to movements such as the Me Too movement. If you're unfortunately experiencing a type of harassment, perhaps sexual harassment, that you've seen in TV shows or movies and that makes you uncomfortable to watch and to experience, contact me for a free private consultation and we can discuss this further.